Hey, did you check out that sporting event? Pretty cool, huh? Well, enough jibber jabber. Let's talk about these cool Ulanzi GP-4 adapters, which I think are pretty snazzy. Now first, regular action camera mounts with the prongs and the big honking thumb screw. They're pretty awesome and they're super secure. But they're kind of a hassle if you need to move your camera around to something like a tripod or a handlebars or a bike helmet, that kind of thing. They're a hassle because you got to unscrew the camera, line it up with whatever mount you want to line it up with, screw it back in. I mean, it's a big pain. But that's where these GP-4 quick release mounts can be really handy. I bought 2 sets. They're usually about $12, but periodically they go on sale for less than $10 each. And in each set you get the camera attachment plus thumb screw, and you also get 2 base mounts, the 1/4-inch base mount and the action camera style base mount with the prongs. So what's cool about this is once you add the attachment to your camera and the base mounts to your tripod, bicycle, helmet, whatever, you're basically done with messing with thumb screws. The attachment and the 2 base mounts all include magnets. So to attach your camera to a base, just line the 2 up and bang, they snap together magnetically. From there you just give it a quick twist to lock it down and boom, you're pretty secure. So since you get 2 bases in each kit, by buying 2, I got 2 camera attachments and 4 base mounts, all for around $20. So let's see how they could be used. Here's 2 different cameras using the attachments, and I have 4 separate mounts which I could spread out over a couple of tripods, handlebars, helmets. So now if I need to move a camera to any of the 4 base mounts, it just takes a few seconds. So these things are really solid, they're super useful, and they're pretty inexpensive. So much so that I may buy another set or 2 for all my bikes, helmets, tripods, whatever, just so everything's covered. I'm basically loving these things. So if you want to see more bike and tech videos, check out my other stuff. I mean, it's free, right? Can't hurt. And thanks a lot for watching.